Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm unboxing the September Bellabox. So let's get into it. So in last month's box, we received a sort of find a word like clue as to what brand would be receiving in the next box, and I figured it was Tarte, and I was right. So this month's box has a little sleeve for Tarte. It says Bellabox and Tarte on it, so there's definitely a Tarte product in here, so I'm really excited because I love Tarte. Ooh. So the card on the top says Spring Shake Up, and it's got everything we got in the box in it. So we may as well get the first product out of the way. The Tarte product. It is the Tarte Tarteist lip paint, and I got the shade Bestie. So I got a beautiful nude colour. We did get to select this before the box came out. It was between this one and a darker red colour, so of course I picked the nude. So that's what it looks like. It's the shade Bestie, and that will dry down matte. But yeah, that is such an awesome product to receive in the box, but this is what I'm expecting every month from Bellabox, not just every year. So this is the sort of thing that I want to see all the time. So Bellabox, please try to do your best to continue this momentum. So that one is a full size, $29, available at Sephora and Tarte website. Yeah, so excited about that. The next product is a hair dye. It is the Schwarzkopf Live Color Radiance and Gloss Silver Toner. So it's a toner, not a hair dye. It's for last 8 washes. Maybe I will have to take this a go and see if my brassy tones might go a little bit blonder. I don't have dyed hair. This is my natural colour. But, you know, it'd be nice to see my hair go a little bit more lighter as we're coming into spring and summer. So, yeah. This one, I'm assuming it's full size. It's $4.89, available at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, Coles and Woolies. So interesting product. I'm glad it's just not like a hair mask or something. It's actually something I'm actually excited to try. So that's actually, we'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know on my Instagram stories if this actually works or not. So keep tuned for that. Next we have a Burt's Bees lip balm. We've received a bunch of these before in Bellaboxes. This one is the strawberry one. So I could have gotten this one or wild cherry. I'm so glad I got the strawberry. I'm just not a big cherry person, but I love strawberry. So this is definitely going to go in with my other lip balms. This one is full size, $6.95, available at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse and Coles. See, I love Burt's Bees lip balms. I use it every day already, so I'm just going to add this one to my collection and I'll get to it. So yeah, that's a good one. I'm glad that we actually get a decent lip balm and not something I've never heard of. So this is really good. Next, I can't believe it, we have 2 makeup products in one box.
Holy guacamole, yeah.
This is what I'm talking about. This is the Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged Mascara. This one is obviously just travel sized, but the full size is $29 at adorebeauty.com and Maya. So this one says, shake up your beauty routine with this cruelty-free, age-defying, fully charged mascara. This mascara attracts each individual lash to strengthen, thicken, separate eyelashes for gorgeous lashes that wow. So yeah, I'm so excited we got more makeup, like yes, and a mascara, something I'm definitely going to use. So I'm loving this box so far. There's nothing that has deterred me from this box so far. I'm loving this box. Thank you, Bellabox. You really did need to redeem yourself from last month. Next, we have a mask. From Vitamasque, the strawberry yogurt mask. So there was a bunch of different ones you could have received, all of which are different prices. So this strawberry and kiwi fruit or the kiwi fruit one was $4. They range between $3 and $5.99. Available at Priceline. So this is for your face or for your body? Brighten and hydrate your skin with these masks developed innovative Korean skincare technology, the amazing asset to your skincare routine. These masks are great for a weekly pick-me-up to add that extra boost of moisture and radiance. So I'm assuming it's for your face, but it's a pretty big sample, so you might have to put that in like a Ziploc baggie and use it for another round. Yeah, it's your face. Yeah, that's interesting. I've never put yogurt on my face before, so that will be fun to try. So yeah, good one for that one. And then we also got another HelloFresh thing. I never use them. I don't use HelloFresh. No. Yeah.
Okay.
And last but not certainly least, we have our bonus sachet. It is the Nature's Commonscents goat's milk and oatmeal body wash. So yeah, a sachet. I'll pop it in the shower and use it tonight, but you know, it's a sachet sample. I'm glad it's not like a face product. It's something from like my body, so that's fun. But yeah, that's everything in the box this month. I have to say, it's such an awesome box. We've got a lip product from Tarte, which basically is worth more than the whole box is priced, which I think is what it should be every month. We've got a mascara, a lip balm, a hair toner, a mask. Like, this is the sort of stuff I want to receive in my box. I want to receive at least 2 bits of makeup. I don't want to receive a ton of skincare. I don't particularly love hair care products, but if they're like fun and interesting, sure, I'll give them a go. But yeah, these are the sorts of products I want to be receiving, and this really needs to stay constant. I don't want this to just be a once a year sort of thing. You know what I mean? Like, come on, let's keep the ball rolling, because we're on a really good roll right now. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys!